Hi guys, this is David Lawrence. I'm here in beautiful Florida at nighttime in Disney Springs. I'm a huge Disney fan. My favorite character is Goofy. Guess who I'm in front of right now? What? And look who I'm across from Goofy, my favorite restaurant. Rainforest Cafe. Guys, this is perfect. I got my great dessert behind me in Goofy, and I got a great restaurant right in front of me for the main course at Rainforest Cafe. So when you come down to Disney Springs, show up for Rainforest Cafe. You won't go wrong. Here's some of the menu. You got great appetizers, soups and salads, beef, pork, and chicken, seafood, pasta. You got add-ons. You got sides. You got some burgers. And for dessert, are you kidding me? Goofy. Goofy's Candy Company. Guys, you gotta come here. Trust me. So by the way, down below, you see the subscribe button? Push it. I promise you, I'll give you a lot more updates on your family when you come down here, of where to go, where to eat, where to have dessert. There's a lot of good stuff down here. So click on the subscribe button and I will definitely show you more good stuff. Alright guys, I'll talk to you soon.